What is the name of NASA's Space Telescope launched in 1999 to study the universe in the X-ray spectrum? Answer is Chandra X-ray Observatory. What is the name of the mission that placed the Mars rover's Spirit and Opportunity on the Martian surface in 2004? Answer is Mars Exploration Rover. What is the name of the first satellite launched by the United States in 1958 as part of the Vanguard program? Answer is Vanguard 1. What is the name of NASA's Space Telescope launched in 2018 to study the Sun and its outermost atmosphere? Answer is Parker Solar Probe. Which planet is known for having the Great Red Spot, a massive storm system that has persisted for centuries? Answer is Jupiter. What is the name of the spacecraft that was the first to fly by Pluto and provide close-up images in 2015? Answer is New Horizons. Which NASA mission successfully landed a rover named Sojourner on Mars in 1997 as part of the Pathfinder mission? Answer is Mars Pathfinder. What is the name of the International Space Station, operated jointly by NASA, Roscosmos, ESA, and other space agencies? Answer is ISS, International Space Station. Who was the first astronaut to walk on the moon's surface during the Apollo 11 mission in 1969? Answer is Neil Armstrong. What is the name of the giant asteroid that is the largest object in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter? Answer is Ceres. Which NASA Space Telescope was launched in 1999 to study the universe in the ultraviolet spectrum? Answer is Far Ultraviolet Spectroscopic Explorer, FUSE. What was the first American spacecraft to orbit Earth, launched in 1958 as part of Project Mercury? Answer is Explorer 1. Which NASA mission, launched in 1990, has provided remarkable images and insights into the cosmos? Answer is Hubble Space Telescope. What is the name of the robotic space probe that landed on the surface of a comet in 2014? Answer is Philae Witch. NASA Space Telescope, launched in 2003, observes the universe in X-rays and gamma rays. Answer is Chandra X-ray Observatory. What is the name of NASA's mission to study the atmosphere and surface of Venus, launched in 2021? Answer is Veritas. Which planet is known for its iconic rings, consisting of numerous ringlets and gaps? Answer is Saturn. What is the name of the lunar module used in the Apollo 11 mission to carry astronauts to the moon's surface? Answer is Eagle. What is the name answer is Artemis. What is the name of the largest moon of Mars, known for its heavily cratered surface? Answer is Phobos, who was the first American woman to fly in space on the Space Shuttle Challenger in 1983. Answer is Sally Ride. What was the name of the first U.S. space station, launched in 1973 and operated for Skylab program missions?